Hey there guys, welcome back again. Today we're going to learn about how to make your custom templates in Solidworks and how to save your units, right? So, as usual, you hit Control N and you're going to see a part file assembly and whatnot, just the usuals. Now, if we go to the advanced option, you're going to see some things like template, MBD, and tutorial, right? We're going to get to the layer that later. Now let's get back to novice and we're going to hit part and OK, right? Now, I personally love to design in MMGS, right? But since if you're not like me, if you want to design in, let's say, inches, right? So IPS, you click inches, IPS, and first you design something, right? And then you close this tab, right? Let's say we're not going to save it. As a matter of fact, let's save it, ABC ASDF, right? We save it, and then we close it, right? Now, the next time you open another tab, Control N and part file, and let's go to OK. It's not going to be in IPS, which is really frustrating. Now, every time you try to design and try and open a new template, a new file, a new part file, you have to change this, which is kind of annoying because people forget. Like, you're halfway through your design and then remember, oh, I've been designing in MMGS, I have to be in IPS, which your measurements are in IPS. Now, we're going to change that today. We're gonna change it like so. We go to the you see this icon, this part file icon, we right click on it, and then we go to the documents properties, okay? And then from there you drop down, make sure the file is always in ANSI. ANSI is the universal, and kind of like the universal, most of us use it. It's better, I guess. It's just better. If it's anything else than ANSI, make sure it's ANSI. And then we go to the units. Now in units you're gonna hit IPS. Now don't hit OK, we're not done yet. Let's go to the system options and you're gonna see drop down like called file locations. Now you're gonna see a button called add, right? Now let's say where do you want to save your custom template. I'm gonna save it in folder F, so select the folder. See, this is my custom template, it's added. Let's move it up a bit for priority, move it up twice and hit OK, right? Now don't close there, we have to save our custom folder, custom template. You hit Control S and let's name our template as custom template, right? And this is not a part file, no, this is a template file. We go to the drop down menu and here you can see part templates, PRTDOT, right? And you click on that and you save it. There you go, this is your custom template. It's IPS, right? Inches. When you close this, now this time when you open it, Control N, you're gonna go to the advanced options and you're not gonna see the other two, right? You're gonna go to the tutorial and there is your custom template. You hit OK and there you go, you have your IPS or MMGS, whatever you want to save it. You go to this and just for checking purpose go to the properties and this is ANSI saved. So thank you for staying along. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.